Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Alipay to PayPal. First thing I want you to do is launch the Alipay app, come to the bottom and tap on transfer. And then here I want you to go ahead and transfer this to your bank account that you'll connect to PayPal. So go ahead and enter your account number, your name, bank account, and then the amount. So go ahead and confirm that. You can select your bank right here, whichever bank it is, and then you add your other details, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Just review everything and confirm the transfer. After that, I want you to launch a PayPal. Come to the bottom right, click on this icon, this is your wallet icon, then tap on your PayPal balance, and then here tap on banks where it says add to wallet, tap on bank, go ahead and search for your bank name, and then I want you to go ahead and connect it. Once you have connected your bank, I want you to go ahead and tap on the balance, and now you can tap here and add money and choose add from your bank, and then enter the amount you want to send. Let's say $10. You'll see it will send from your bank to your PayPal balance, and then click here on add to balance. And as you can see, the transfer has taken place. It'll take up to 5 days. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.